this one. Our other islands were a lot lower than this one, and they kind of have to throw themselves off to take off. See, like that. They can't just take off from the ground or somewhere or whatever. And
It's that black pile. That's their poop. Kevin.
Yeah.
It's a black pile.
That's a termite.
Yeah, it's a termite nest.
Are the females the one with the white hair?
Yes, the females are those are juveniles. The females are the one with the black head and white chest. And so, unlike the boobies, these frigate birds can get wet. If they get wet for more than 5 seconds, they can't take off again. They gotta dry off their wings and stuff. The boobies, they have been known to dive about 30 to 35 feet deep.
Wow.
They've been found in fishermen traps, fish traps,
Wow.
trying to get the fish out of it, and found them die. They died and stuff. The frigate birds,
Whoa. Watch
they
this.
have a wingspan from
Watch this.
about 5 to 7 feet.
Anytime a stick hits the water, they grab it. Ah.
You like to toss some?
Pictures for
Work here up
second
and toss it in the water.
You know why they do that? Yeah. And you ever wonder why you don't see much of a nest in the tree? That's because they steal things from each other when they don't have anything to do.
If you break it too small, they won't pick it
That's
up.
their
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We get huge. Look at that big one right there. Throw it in the air, Javin, like a seagull. Just throw it high up in the air.
Takes about 20
They're not gonna
minutes
take it in the
to
air.
Blow them up.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
I don't think they know how long it takes to get them down. I would say pretty quick. They could stay up for any amount of time they want it to stay up. You don't see much movies right now because they're out fishing, and they come back to this island when the sun has already set or when it's dark. Because if the boobies, if the frigate birds see them coming, they know that they have food because they're bringing home food. So a couple of them, 2 or 3 of them, will horse the boobies around and get it to regurgitate their food.
I'll bring a
and
kayak
get
back
a
up
little.
here.
Are you sure?
But I guess they don't mind because if these boobies go nesting anywhere, the other seabirds they kill the
I hit this
eggs,
thing one time
like the
to take
thorns
pictures
and the
of myself.
seagulls and
In
stuff.
case you're going
But
by.
the thorns they can't come around this
to, but
island because the
never made
men
it
don't
work.
know that
I never actually catch
they're
it.
seabirds
yeah.
and they might have food,
So
so
nice.
they
Yeah,
stay
I
far
got 8
from
blank
here.
pictures.
And I guess the boobies pay a little fee to leave their young ones here and their eggs here, and